Ever wondered about the current health of the services sector in the United States? Today, we're exploring the ISM Services PMI to understand its importance in the economy. The Institute for Supply Management Services Purchasing Managers Index is a monthly report that provides key insights into the U.S. services sector. It's compiled by surveying purchasing managers from diverse industries. They assess business activity, orders, employment, and other operations. It's more than just a collection of numbers. The ISM Services PMI is calculated on a scale that ranges from 0 to 100. A reading above 50 shows expansion, below 50 indicates contraction. This index is akin to its counterpart, the ISM Manufacturing PMI, in its basic interpretation. What does a strong reading above 50 indicate? It suggests economic growth, boosting demand for stocks and bonds. But a reading below 50 signals contraction, leading to a decline in the US dollar's strength. Here's a twist. Even if the PMI is higher than expected, but still lower than last month's sequential results, the trend may continue on a downward trend. It's crucial to understand the nuances of these readings and take into account other factors happening in the financial markets. The ISM Services PMI provides insight into the U.S. services sector's health. It indicates growth over 50, shrinkage below. PMI is crucial for gauging momentum, as we always say. Informed trading is smart trading. Thank you for joining us today in this exploration of the ISM Services PMI. It's a journey into economics and finance. Stay savvy and keep those economic gears turning.